Hello everybody, this is K4AMG. I am starting a new project. I'm going to be taking over satellite operations for the K4AMG club, and I've got a lot to learn. I'm going to use a rig that I'm not familiar with, a whole new set of tools, antennas, and so I'm going to do a series of videos on my trek to learning how to do all this. My first video will be coming up here, which is just going to show you the equipment, but I haven't hooked anything up or got it all running. You can see the rig in the background there, but I'll get into more detail as I go through. So anyways, this should be fun. I'm really looking forward to doing it, and hopefully some of y'all come along with me as I learn and go and finally make my first satellite contact using this this pretty crazy setup. So with that, we'll get into some of this equipment. All right, well, here is the trailer for the satellite station with the antennas. Of course, right now everything's all folded down here. You can see there's two of them. And of course, they go up on the mini tower here. And then they have rotors that control the movement of the antennas. Folds up here. This is the crank and cable to hold it up, and then some of the components for it are right here. We got the rotor there, toolbox, and we got a box I haven't actually looked in here. Oh, so the cables for it. Oh, he's got the notebook in here. So there's all the different cables to hook the station up to the computer system. There's the logbook. There's some software. I'm assuming this probably really is just a toolbox here. Yeah, just a toolbox with the tools required to assemble the station. So, we got a rotor. It's pretty cool. So as I get more familiar, I'll be taking videos on setting it up and operating the station. All right, and here is all the equipment required to run the satellite station. You got the rotor control, the Signa Link USB. I have one of those on my station as well. Really, I like them. I like them. Anyways, LVB tracker, AMSAT. I have no idea. I'm going to be learning all this as I go here. And then, of course, they operate it with a laptop, which is in that bag. And then the transceiver that we use is the Kenwood TS2000. Have it hooked up in my station right now so I can kind of learn it, along with the old trusty manual here. And so far, it's a pretty cool rig. I've never used one before, but I like it. Since this is kind of in my possession for the foreseeable future, I may continue to use this and move my FT891 out to the car, which I've always wanted to do anyways. So that's the rest of my shack, which isn't related to AMSAT, but anyways. That's it. As I get with this station operational, I'll be taking more and more videos.